In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add guides on Canva Mobile. So you'll see here in my design, I've got some guides and I've essentially split the page into 3 sections. And I've also got a border around the edge, which is kind of like for print. So here's how you do it. So once you're in your design, go to the 3 dots at the top here. It's going to be in the top in the center. Click on that and then go to settings. Once you're in settings, you can go ahead and go show margins, and that will add the margins to the page. Now this is only really useful for settings. If you want to add some guides, go to the 3 dots, go to settings, then go add guides. Here you can choose what guides you need, whether that's 12 column, 3 column, 3x3 grid. You can go to custom and you can change it through the amount of columns, the gap and the rows. So let's say you want 5 columns and maybe you want, 2 rows. You can then click done and it's obviously done that for you. Now if you wanted to enable and disable these and hide them, go back to settings, and then you can go ahead and show guides or uncheck it and they will disappear. But that's how you do it. The one thing that is missing though is rulers. I don't know why they don't have rulers in the mobile app, but that's how you do it. I hope that helped.